Friends, welcome on YourPedia Global, and this particular video is for 12th April 2025, telling you about the daily hot research leads directly from the desk of the professor. In case friends you are interested to go abroad, top global institutes for pursuing MS, PhD, direct PhD with fully funded scholarships, you should first identify the research areas in which you want to pursue your research, and then get to the right professor, mail him, that is called warm mailing, and wait for the response from the professor, and accordingly identify the university where you have to apply. Don't blindly start applying, you will end up wasting your money. Do not go abroad by spending a lot of money. Don't burn the money, earn the money. That is the motto of YourPedia Global, and that is where we basically step in. YourPedia Global mentors step in. In case you want to get your profile assessed by the mentors, in case you want to check whether your credentials are suitable enough to get fully funded scholarships, you can call Ishita and she will help you further explore the opportunities and get you connected with the mentors of YourPedia, so that your identification of your research credentials is done. Yes, mapping your research interest with the research work of particular professor is the most important step in entire this process of getting opportunities abroad, and these research leads we are getting directly from the professor's desk. That means professors are looking for you in different particular areas of specialization. Every week we come out with couple of opportunities and we share it with you. So this opportunity is from University of Zurich, very reputed university in Switzerland, beautiful country. PhD in civil engineering if you want to do in hydrology, and if you have masters in civil engineering, friends, you can get to this particular opportunity. You can explore this opportunity. The next and this Professor Jan Siebert is working in this domain. So Kansas State University QS ranking, don't you bother. This is a direct PhD opportunity. Most of the US opportunities can be direct PhD opportunities. That means whether BS or MS, anything if you are having degree in industrial engineering, and if you want to work in health system engineering, that is a domain in which you want to work, then this is the opportunity for you. Then we come to Aarhus University in Denmark, PhD in biology, masters in biology if you have, and if you want to work in microbiology, molecular biology, DNA chemistry, you can approach Dr. Professor Rike Louis Meyer, and you can drop warm mailing to that professor. So you should be interested in this domain and you should have this background that is required. Now University of Birmingham, so a tongue twisting word, Birmingham. So PhD in mechanical engineering, and entire year you can apply in this with Dr. Yuting Su. So master's degree in chemistry, physics, material engineering related field. You will say, sir, this is the PhD in mechanical engineering, but you are looking for masters in chemistry, because material science is a convergence point. So nanoporous materials make chemistry people can also work, mechanical people can work, physics people can work. So interdisciplinary, truly interdisciplinary. Typically the research lab of a professor in a top global institute who is doing very good research, typical the research lab has students from all field of knowledge. Professor will have students from mechanical background, chemical background, electrical background, combination of that. That is how it all goes. University of Strathclyde, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is in UK, friends. Nuclear waste management, in case you are interested to work in that. Environmental engineering, your masters in environmental engineering, you can get into that. KU Leuven, that is in Belgium, so business engineering, operation research and related. Game theory, logistics, in case you are interested in this, you can approach it. KTH Royal Institute of Technology, so a computer science domain, in case you want to work in that. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, computational sciences, programming languages. So in case you want to work in these areas, this can be done. MSc degree in computer science is required for that. Now Arctic University of Norway, physics and technology domain, if you want to do PhD, master's degree in physics or biotechnology will work. In case you want to work in this particular research area, you can approach Professor Balpreet Aluwalia, looks like Indian professor. Norwegian University of Science and Technology, Norway, world reputed university, NTNU it is called. So NTNU computational mechanics and architect. So computational mechanics, if you want to work, Professor Marcin is working in this particular area, and Norway is one of the best countries to stay and pursue your higher education and do job later there. So these were some of the areas, some of the opportunities, friends. In case any particular area hits you and you want to work in that domain, please get in touch with Ishita, that is admission manager of YourPedia Global, and surely you will get a lot of opportunities in your respective fields. And all we need to do is first identification of your credential, whether your credentials are suitable to pursue higher education abroad. All the very best. Look forward to mentor you, friends. Thank you.